Python programming language. Math. Dive into Python's numeric types, math functions, and libraries. Python supports int, float, and complex number types. Each type allows specific arithmetic operations. Learn to convert between these types using built-in functions. The Math module provides functions for mathematical operations such as square root, sine, and logarithms. It also includes constants like pi and e for precise calculations. The Random module generates pseudo-random numbers. Seeding controls the sequence of random numbers. Use functions to create random choices and samples. Decimal and fractions modules offer precise arithmetic. Decimal handles fixed-point calculations, while fractions manage rational numbers, ensuring accuracy in computations. NumPy is a library for advanced numerical computations. It provides array structures for efficient data handling and supports various mathematical operations on these arrays. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.